Alright guys, welcome back. There you go, I did the intro properly. So, this is what I'm doing right now. I am just doing a quick video here for you guys. So, we're pulling all the beets out. Ta-da! This is the big one. Oh yeah. Basically, just going over here, pulling them out. So, literally, that was it. These are not going to get any bigger, so it's not that big of a deal that I'm actually picking these. But basically, you want to pick them near the end of the season. If you plant the seeds too close together, this is what you end up with. Because there's too much crowding, they don't get a good chance of growing big as the other one that I did show you guys. I'll put that at the beginning or end of the video. Probably at the beginning. And just pick up all the dirt. And then I am cutting off the tops and leaving about an inch, maybe an inch and a half of the leaves. Now, some people like to eat them. However, if they have holes in them like this, don't eat them. Cut them off. Do not eat them. So I repeat, do not eat them. Okay? So this one, this is what people refer to when they say they eat the leaves. That is because it's flawless. There's nothing wrong with the leaf. So you could eat ones that look like this. So don't eat them if they look bad. Personally, I wouldn't eat them, but that's just me. So beets, lots more beets.